Hi there, hi guys, this is Imran and I'm here to do a video to show you how to connect your landing page to your autoresponder and set up the first email for that goes up when someone signs up. So this is a continuation of the last video that you watched, which showed you how to set up your pop-up page or your opt-in page, whichever you want to call it, that goes onto your landing page. So to demonstrate to you what I'm talking about, if we go to pages and then HTML special report. So this was the campaign that I was setting up, the Facebook ads campaign. I'm just going to go straight into view to show you which page we're talking about. So this is the page. And then when we click on this button, whoops, let's try that again. When we click on this button, this is the pop-up that comes up. Now currently, if I enter name and email here, it's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to go. It's just going to repeat itself around and go back to the main page. So we want to enter a thank you page. So once someone enters a name and email here, they need to get this special report straight away sent to their email. So we're going to use an autoresponder to set that up automatically. And then once they do enter their name and email, they want to be taken to a thank you page. So we're also going to set that up as well. And this video is going to show you how to do it. Okay, so let's close this and then go back to our dashboard or my dashboard. Okay, actually, before we do all that, so not to confuse you, we're going to set up, as of now, I'm going to set up the links that you're going to need. So these things are called pretty links. So what happens is obviously when you go, I think the easiest thing is for me to demonstrate and show you back to view. So when someone opts in and they get this special report, when they send us this landing page and this opt-in form, this special report is going to have your link connected, especially this special report. You're going to have your own affiliate link. I'm going to show you now where that affiliate link is and how you're going to get to add it into your email. That number is always going to be connected to you, and whenever someone uses that link to purchase, whether it's a high ticket or low ticket, that link is always going to be associated to you 365 days of the year, and you will make a commission off it. So let me show you your affiliate links. Now, the place to go to see it is your partner center. Now, when you log into your members area, you can click onto your partner center and the dashboard area the homepage should come up. You can also, if it doesn't come up, sometimes there's a bit of a delay when it loads up. Sometimes you might have to, as soon as you log in, you might have to click on my account. Another page similar to this will load up, and then click on partner center, and then this page should load up. If that doesn't work, log out again, log back in, click on this elite membership, elite site, your elite membership, and then click on partner center, and your dashboard, the page should show up with your dashboard showing. Then all you do is click on to products, and then here you've got these are some of the products that you can promote. So we're obviously promoting my HCM business. We've got the business Kickstarter coming soon. You can promote the YouTube ads plan hack. You can get commissions off there, and this one is soon to be launched very, very, very soon. I think it's imminently from the messages that I've received from Venkata. So keep an eye on that one. Okay, so we're obviously using the HTM business. So all you do is click on promote, and these are your affiliate links here. So this is what your affiliate link looks like. Your number, or my number, is 303. as you can see here. So every time someone clicks on these links, they will always be associated to me, and I will make the commission. Excuse me. Now, these links don't really look pretty, and so what we're going to do in an email, these links don't look good. So we're going to make them. We can custom. We're going to find. I'm going to show you a way to customize these links so they look better, and that's what we're going to set up first. And then when we're actually creating your email and your email follow-up, we will use those customized links to put in your autoresponder. So just follow along for now. This will all make sense as we go through setting up your autoresponder. But for now, I just thought let's get this bit out the way. So we're going to use our FIDIC. So what you want to do is go back to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, and we're gonna. So I've already got this program in there. We're going to use this program, this plugin. Sorry, not program, plugin called Pretty Links, and I'm going to show you how to upload it. I already have it in there, so I can only sort of demonstrate it to you without actually going through the process. So what you would do is you would go to plugins and you go to add new. Just bear in mind I've already got plugins in there, and you'll come to a page like this. In the keyword right hand side here, you've got a box called search plugins. All you do is type in pretty links and it will come up on the left hand side like that. And obviously mine says active because I've already downloaded it, but it will say something like install now. So over here it will say install now. You click on that and it will install it, and it will go up here into pretty links. Just it will come up here on the left hand side. Just remember to activate it after you've installed it. So then all you do is you go into pretty links, and so I already have my links put in, but I'm going to add, just for the process of this video, is I'm going to add a few more in here. Oh, actually, I've still got mine from the last bit in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trash these ones, and I'm going to create some new ones for you, so you get to see exactly order form, hybrid, special report. Yep. Okay. So these are my original ones. Those ones I'd created for another video, which didn't work. So I'm hoping this time it's going to work. So all you do is you click on add new. So as you can see, sorry, let me go back. Let me go back to Pretty Links. So as you can see, I already have my customized links here, and they just look better. So it will just say my domain name.com and thank you hybrid, or special report, or thank you video, or order form. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to set up the first two, which is a thank you video and special report, and then you just follow the same process. So I'm going to set up new campaigns for my new campaign of the Facebook traffic ads. And the way to do that is you click on to add new, and the page will look like this. So I'm going to call this, so the first link we're going to do is the thank you video. So that thank you video is the page that the subscriber will go to once they put in their name and email onto your landing page. And when they hit submit, they will get taken to a thank you page. So that's what we're going to create right now. So all you do is add title. So in this case, I'm going to call it HTAM special report. Now, they're not going to see the title to this, so this can be basically whatever you want. So I'm going to call it the special report, and I'm going to customize it to my Facebook ads campaign, so I know when I put this in the Facebook ads campaign what it is referred to. Oops. Now, with the redirection, you want to change that to permanent, and the target URL, so you want to go back to your partner center, and you want to go to, so this is the partner center that we've come back to, which is this part here, where products, promote, and that's how we got back to this page, just as a reminder. So we're looking for the thank you page, or thank you video, which is this URL here. So as you can see, it's very long. So all you do is highlight this. I have to double click it and then copy it. Go back to Pretty Link and then paste it in here. And as you can see, that comes up. Now, this is the link that you can actually customize and use. So this is the thank you video. So all I'm going to do, always use lowercase on the actual URL link just to match everything together. So it's my domain name or my landing page name plus whatever the link is. So in this case, it's the thank you video. So actually, I'm just going to click there and put thank you. I've already put it in from last time. Thank you. You don't need to worry about notes. You can put a note in there if you wanted to. But yeah, it's just, again, for your own purposes. Oh, by the way, just so you know, Pretty Links is free. You don't need to upgrade to the paid version. It's free, and that's all you need, really. Once that's done, check it. So make sure the link is in there. It's the thank you video. You've got your affiliate ID in there, which is always in that affiliate link. And then all you do is click update. Oh, okay. So the reason it's saying that is because Pretty Link slug. Okay, I'm just gonna thank you. I'm gonna add thank you video. It's because I made a copy before and I haven't completely deleted it. So I'm just gonna call it thank you video. Hopefully that should work. Yep, great. Where are we? Thank you video. HM business special report. Okay, for some reason it's created a special. Oh yeah, I saved it as a special report. Sorry, I should have saved it as the. Let's do an edit rather than special report. This is the thank you video. Silly me. Okay, and then update. Now, for some reason, it has duplicated it. I have no idea why. I think it could have something to do with what I've done before. But anyway, just for this purpose, we're just going to use the top one. Okay, and then the second one we're going to use, so just to add new, is the special report. So HTAM, special report. Again, so I Facebook ads campaign. Okay, and then redirection, change that to permanent. Target URL, go back to your partner center. So I want the special report. So it says HTML report here, and it says long link here, special report. Okay, so you highlight it all, copy, go back to Pretty Links, paste. There you go, special report, and then change in this case it's called a slug. You can customize the link. So we'll call it special dash report. Now it's going to duplicate it and it's going to give me the same issue that it gave last time. So I'm going to call it PDF, just to separate. But when you create it the first time, all you need to do is just put special report. And that should work, and then click update. Okay, there you go. So you got special report, thank you video for my Facebook ads campaign. I have no reason, I have no idea why it's duplicated the thank you video, but anyway, it's that's the special link. That's the special report. Now, as a recommendation, the other thing that you will need to set up is also the hybrid video, which is this one. So you do exactly the same, call it hybrid, and set that one up. And just for your convenience, you can also do the order form. And when we get on a call, I'll explain to you why we do that. But just for this, if you want, it's not necessary. You can also do the order form. I have already created the order form. So originally I created the order form, the thank you hybrid, the special report, and the thank you video. So all these are going to come in handy later on when we set up our autoresponder. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard. Okay, so that's everything. That's our pretty link set up. That's our links are going to be ready to use. Now, as an autoresponder is a platform that allows you to capture people's emails. So as I showed you before on my landing page, it allows you to capture people's names and emails, and then you're able to keep in contact with them, and then you can promote to them, offer them value on a daily basis. So whenever they put in their name and their email here, they get sent to an autoresponder which captures their name and email, and then ultimately they become your lead. And then you want to give that lead as much value as possible so that it will help to make the sales. And you want to build a relationship with your lead because that lead could potentially be worth a lot of money to you. Currently, I have my highest paying lead is $10,000 for one sale. So it goes up to a lot higher. There's people who've bought $25,000 programs, even $60,000 to $100,000 programs. So you never know over the years if you can provide value. Venkata has got leads and members who have spent, up to $100,000 with him. So you want to look after your leads as always. So, okay, let's take this back to the dashboard. So now the email marketing software that we use is called Aweber. So all you do is if you go to aweber.com, this is the pricing over here. You just sign up to the monthly plan. It's $19 per month. However, they give you the first month free. So if you're not ready to sign up, don't do it just yet. Make sure your landing page is ready, everything is ready, and then sign up to this so you don't really you don't want to use too much of your monthly, your free month, so that because you need to set up your follow-up emails. So once you're ready to do that, then you sign up so you don't use too much of your free month. So you just do sign up and it will give you an option to sign up for free. Otherwise, to start off with, it's $19 per month for, I believe, for up to 500 emails. And then it goes up the more emails that you have. However, we're looking with your business, once it starts working for you, you're looking for your business to pay. This should be paying for itself. So the more subscribers you have, you should be in a position where that your subscribers are paying for your tools. Okay, so all you do is sign up. Now I've got an account open here. This is one of my accounts, and so what happens is when you sign up, it's going to ask you to sign up you're going to have to put in a few details, for example, your name, your website name, I believe the email that your business email that you want to use up, and that will be going to your subscribers. Don't get confused. There's two, I believe. There's one email that you will use for your actual account. So mine is imran@imrangita.com. And one that if it's your personal one, like if I've got imrangita@gmail.com, then just make sure your business email is your business email. So it might be a support at whatever your domain name is, or help, or your first name. I've got a G Suite email account already with this domain, and it's imran@imrangita.com, so that's what it's set up as. So it will go straight into setting up a list. However, if you wanted to set up a new list, this is also the way you would do it. So first place you'll go to is click on Manage List. Okay, you will create a list. Okay, and as I said, you would put in your company name, your company website, your business address, your sender's name, and here's your email. Okay, so it'll ask you to put this. It'll be slightly different, but ultimately this is what you'll be doing. Okay, describe your list. What would you like to name your list? So it's entirely up to you. I'm going to put internet marketing. You can put, I believe on my first one, I put Ven's affiliate marketing program. I'm going to put internet marketing for affiliates. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to put internet marketing. Now, briefly describe what your email subscribers are going to see. In here, remember your subscribers will see this description in the email. So you want to be clever with what you put in here. So I'm going to put something on the level of this. Maybe my emails will give you a understanding of how to start and have a successful marketing business. Cool. Okay, so that's what they'll see. Press go back. Okay, approve your confirmation message. You don't need to worry about this too much right now. We can discuss this in one of our coaching sessions. Just to approve message and create a list, we're actually going to turn that off. So as you can see, this is the list that I've created. Okay, and then all you do, once it's set up, I think you have to, once you save it, your current list, so this is the new list that I've set up, and then if you go to list option and go to list settings, okay, and then go to confirmation message, we're actually going to turn this off. We're not going to use a confirmation message. So click down to the bottom, and then where it says send confirmation message for Aweber sign up forms, all you do is turn it off. Ultimately, what this is it's a good way to, so when someone signs up to your landing page, rather than going straight to, what it does is it just asks for validation that they are serious. So they'll be sent an email and they'll be told, go to your email address and click on the verification link so that it allows you for you to send emails to them, which is generally good. However, in this case, because they don't really know who you are, it's best to turn this off so you're stopping any sort of barrier. You want your messages to go straight to their email address. Chances are, a lot of the time, if they don't know who you are, if you're just starting out and you had a confirmation message setting set up, then what they might do is just sign up and not bother to click on the verification link, and then you've lost them anyway. So in in the beginning, you want to have it not to have too many barriers, so we're going to turn this off. Okay, and then save settings. Okay, once that's saved, now we want to create a sign-up form which will help connect our sign-up form that we created under Thrive Leads to Aweber. So all we're going to do is click up on sign-up forms. Okay, create a sign-up form. Okay, the template that is already there is good enough. All you need to do is just scroll down. Go to step 2. Okay, basic settings. So my web form. So this is an opt-in form. So again, this is just for your own reference. So I'm just going to put HTML. HTML business opt-in form. So no one's really going to see this. So this is again just for your own purposes. Now, this is the thank you page that I was talking to you about. This is what we created earlier. At the moment, it just says basic version. If you click down on the drop down menu and then click on custom page, this is going to allow you to put in your link here. So what you do is you just delete that the HTTPS. You want to click on open this in a new window. So that's to make sure it goes into a new window. So just copy that and just delete it. Okay, and from here, you want to go back to your dashboard, go to Pretty Links, click on the top Pretty Links tab. So what we're looking to put, just to show you, actually, let me get rid of this pricing. We don't need that. Whoops. I think the partner center. And hopefully that will load up. So if we go to Pretty Links, we want the thank you video. So yeah, if we go back to this form, it's the thank you page. So we want the thank you video. And so that's this one here. We're going to use this link here. So if you click in there, or you click here, it copies it to clipboard. Or if you click in it and then just do copy, either one. Go back to your sign up form, delete that, and then paste. And that's your thank you video that's gone in there. So once I click out, that should be better. And then already, if someone's already subscribed, they have an option as well. And you just do the same thing. So change that to custom page and then put in the same link. So just highlight and delete and then paste that same thank you video page. Okay. And then save your form. Once you saved your form, all you do is go to step 3. Now here, this is where you're going to need to know a little bit of coding, but don't worry too much. I will help you with this. So all you need to do is click on I will install my form, and this bit comes up. Click on this raw HTML version. Click on there, and then click on uncheck where it says include beautiful form styles. Uncheck to get unformatted basic form, which is what we want. So click on that, and that gives us the unformatted basic form. Okay. Now, what we're looking for is this bit, the second line down where it says form method. So all the way down from there to the point where it ends form, which is over here. So we don't want to go all the way down. It's just around here. So you can see it there from there to about the top there. So I'm going to scroll down a bit. Where are we? Have I gone over it? I've gone past it. So, where's that page? Oh, here we are. So I'm going to start from the end of form. Try that again. Whoops. There we go. Got all the way to the top. And I want from form, and I knew it wasn't going to click. I think I've got an old mouse and I just need to change it. So there. Okay, and then we want to copy. I don't think that copied. Let me just do that one more time. Form there. All right, I'm going to have to do it another way. Bear with me. I'm going to use I will get there, just bear with me. Just doesn't want to do it. Here we go. I just have to use the. There you go, and then copy. Okay, got there in the end. Now, if you go back to your dashboard, so we've taken that coding, and then we want to put it into the pop-up form. So if we go down to Thrive Dashboard, hover over Thrive Dashboard, and then go into Thrive Leads. Click on Thrive Leads, and then we want. So I want the new lead group that I'm creating, which is the HCM Business Facebook ad one, because I'm creating a new campaign for that. Click on this View Details, this little drop-down arrow. Click on Edit. Click on the second edit when you see the light box. Excuse me. Just wait for the page to load up. Okay, once it's loaded up, if you all you do is click on the button, okay, and then it's going to give you this option. And what we want is an edit HTML form. Click on there. Okay, so as I said, I tried this before, so it's already in there. But what it would have looked like is something like this, and then all you would do is do switch to HTML. Oops, let's do that again. You click on the switch to HTML, and then this box will come up, and it will be empty. There might be a little bit of text in there, but all you do is, I'm just going to do Control A, is just you paste that code in here. So form to form, okay, and then click Continue. And then all you do is hit Save. And that's it. That's your form. This is your opt-in form. It should be connected to your Aweber after that simple process. Okay, so just watch over the video, or this part of the video, if you need to go over that again. Just take your time over it, and just remember it's you want from. Did it give me? So you just want from this part here, from form, all of it, not you want form to this part of form here. Okay, so you make sure that's also highlighted. Let me actually double check that I've got, I didn't, yeah, form to form. Okay, hit continue and make sure you save your work. I'll just double save just to be on the safe side. I'm going to close that tab. Okay, now once that's done, you want to set up your first email that they get. So what I mean by that is if I go to pages and all pages and my special report, and if I click on there, so they want to get, so as soon as they put their name and email, this special report that they're going to get, the free special report, needs to go straight to their email, straight to the email address. So what we're going to do is set that part up, and that's over here. And all you do is go onto messages, okay, and we're going to create a follow-up series. You're only mainly going to use drafts, follow-up series, and broadcasts. Drafts are when you create an email, they usually get saved in drafts, so that's where you will find them until you decide where you want to put them, which is generally your follow-up series. Your follow-up series are the emails that are going to be sent out to your subscribers. They're your finalized emails and they'll go out automatically to them. So we're going to be setting that up, your follow-up series. Broadcasts are emails that you can broadcast there and send, doesn't matter how many subscribers you have on your list. Let's say you had some news that you want to send out on a particular day, or let's say you decided to do a promotion where you had a 50% discount on your products that you were selling. You might want to do a broadcast that will go to your email subscribers there and then. Again, don't worry too much about this. For now, all we want to worry about is setting up your first follow-up email. So click on follow-up series. Okay, we're going to use a drag and drop email builder. Now you're probably wondering, or you might be wondering, what emails am I going to put into here? What do I type? What do I put in? Don't worry, we've got this, we've got you covered. Venkata's got you covered. So in your part, in your welcome, in your partner center, if you click on products and then go to promote, you can go down to email swipes. And here is your first email. In fact, Venkata has set up, I believe, 6 emails for you that you can copy and paste in. However, I'm just going to help you set up the first one. You also get access as an elite member. He's also giving you 100 follow-up emails, so which I will be sending to you on one of our calls. So if you haven't got that, let me know. When you're ready to set that up, I will send you those 100 follow-up emails that you can copy and paste into your autoresponder. But for now, we're going to create your first email. So all you're going to do is, like I said, so this is your subject, this is your body, these are your elements that you're going to use. Generally, when you set up your first email, when you click to create your first email, the body of the email is already in there and you just need to literally copy and paste in. So let's go back to the partner center. First thing you need is your special reports is inside. Copy this and then paste it in here. And then we want the body, which is here. Click on hello and then talk soon. Copy, back to your edit message. Click in here, highlight everything in here and then delete that. And paste in there. And this is your message. Okay. Now we are going to customize your first email. So the way to do that is what I like to do is just click out of here. I like to personalize my emails. So for example, where it says I like to put the person's first name. So the way you can do that without you having to type in the person's first name all the time is if you click in the beginning, so this is the subject header, and by customizing it, when they get this email, when they see their name first, there's a higher chance of them opening the email. So we're going to put in the first name or give a command that whoever your subscriber is, their first name will go there. So what I'm going to do is just press spacebar to allow a bit of space and then go back one. And then to personalize it, you just click on personalize, subscribers info, and then first name. And as you can see there, whatever the person's name is, their first name will always go in there without you having to type it in every single time. And then it'll be first name dash your special report inside. So when I test my email, it will be Imran, your special report is inside. Or if it was Greg, your special report is inside. Or Hillary, your special report is inside. Whoever's on my list, it will go in here. Now, for the body of the email, what I prefer to do is I find that I'm just going to select all. I find this all a little bit small. Actually, before I do that, I'm also going to personalize after hello. And you can do that here. And it's the same thing, first name. Now, I'm going to select all. So I'm on I'm on a Windows laptop. So for me, it's Control A to highlight everything because obviously my mouse is playing up a little. But you want to select all the text and I'm going to make it bigger. Now I set mine to 16. You can set it to whatever you want. There's no right or wrong on this. Okay, so mine's going to be hello, first name, whoever that is. Congratulations on taking actions. You're in today's email. Now, you're in. I would just spread it out a bit. Actually, let's do that. At the bottom email, you can find the HM special report. Okay, just go through it and, just spread it out a bit. Okay, the next thing is step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, so you might want to take out the step 4, which is take action. I'm even going to send you a special bootcamp series to help you. This was from a previous campaign. We don't have a bootcamp series anymore, so you can actually take that out. But you can put the aim of my emails is to make you a few $100 by the end of this month. Take that there. Now, your personal links, affiliate links, will already be in here. So as you can see here, it says step 3, go through the special report while it's still available, and then it's your link for the special report. However, we're going to change this. So what we're going to do is highlight that, and we're going to put your pretty link in there. So let's go back to your dashboard. Go back to your pretty links. Okay, and then we want this special report link here. Okay, and then you just copy You can either copy like that or copy to clipboard, go back to your message. So in this highlighted, where you've put the highlighted link, you can just paste it in there. Special report PDF, it's got caught with the other part of the text, so separate it. Now, what you do is, this is what I do, is I highlight this line. Ugh, this mouse is proving a bit of a problem. Okay, let me use my keypad. Okay, and you highlight it. Now at the moment it's 16. I like to make it 20 so it stands out. I like to make it bold, and I need to put the link in there. So if you click on, let me show you that again. Dear, let's do that again. If you click on here which says link next to the A tab, and then the protocol and URL, and you're putting that same special report link that you just pasted, PDF, that goes in there, and then that creates a link which we'll be able to test when we do a preview and test on the top right here. Okay. The other thing that you want to, the other link that you want to add in is this one. Just click here, press enter. Whoops. That needs to go there. Okay, so I'm going to click on this link here. Okay, so this is the thank you hybrid. So as I said, when you've created this link, you would have created a hybrid video link. Now, I didn't create one for the Facebook ads group, and I would do if I was setting up a new campaign. But for this purpose, I'm just going to use my actual HTML business hybrid link. So I'm going to copy that, copy to clipboard, and then paste it into the hybrid section. Highlight it again. So let me use my keypad. Okay, and again, I want it to stand out. Change it, make it a little bit bigger compared to everything else. With what you have to understand with email marketing, you want to have a strong call to action. You want to make things stand out. You want to make it as easy as possible for your readers to click on or see the relevant information that is in your email quickly. So that's why, we stand it out. So I'm going to make it bold, and then I need to add the link, which is the hybrid link. So I just paste that in there, press OK, and then it becomes a link. Now this hybrid video is, if they haven't signed up already to your front-end product, this hybrid video is there to take them through the video and hopefully purchase your front-end product. Okay, and then what I would do is just add in my name, Imran. Okay, and again I would highlight it. You can make it 16. Again, I like to stand out a bit, make it big, bold, and I like to change color, which to change the color is this first A in here, which changes the text color. And you can change it to whatever color you like, a green, a dark green. I'm going to go with a blue, maybe that blue there, and click on apply. And then if I click on there, it sounds out. Now there's ways you can add a picture if you wanted to. So for example, if you wanted to add a picture, you can go to image here. First and foremost, actually, you need to create a row. So you just drag and drop. Where are we? Why are you not? Sorry, let me just click out of here so that you can see what I'm doing. So if you grab a row, can you see that blue line, which is why I clicked out, because we weren't able to see it before. And that blue line means that this row is going to go beneath. So we created a new row. Whenever you want to add another element in, you always have to create a row. So we created a row, and now I want to add an image, so my picture. So I'm going to use this element here, which drag and drops in here. Okay. I've already got pictures in here, but if, for example, if I wanted to add a picture, I will click on there and let me check in image gallery. My images, let's use me and Ben on this case. Okay, and as you can see, it looks a bit big over here. So this is me and Ben. We were at an event speaking in a posh London hotel, where actually Ben was hosting, where he was talking at the event, and I was just helping him out. And so what I want to do is, it's a bit big, so if I click on the image, I can make changes to the image. So first and foremost, you make it into a thumbnail, which makes it smaller. And then I'll put it as a left alignment, which is this image alignment here. That makes it smaller and makes it look better. Okay. And there you go. Have a great day. Talk soon, Imran. The other thing I would do is I would add who you are in your connection to Venkata. So I would normally do it on the second email, but I'm going to do it on this one just for demonstration purposes. So where it says hello, first name fixed, keep the congratulations on taking action, you're in, then explain who you are. So for me, in my case, I'll go into another line. I'll be like, hi, where are you? Where are you? Okay, there you go. So I'll be like, hi. Okay, I'm taking actually, I'll just start off with my name is Imran. I am one of Carter's, and then you can put whatever you like. You can put student, you can put mentee or success story. Give yourself a name. Even when you're starting out, I know it might not sound true as you're starting out, or put what sits with you. I mean, personally, putting success story, I think, isn't a problem because, or successful mentee, because that's what you're aiming to be. So putting something like that in there works fine. So obviously, I'm one of his trainers, so I'm going to put my name is Imran. I'm one of Venkata's elite business trainer. Okay, so that that adds a link between me and Venkata, because obviously they're seeing Venkata's video, but they're going to be getting these emails from me, and then there's my name at the bottom. So actually, the good thing is normally I would just put in my own picture of myself, but in this case it's good because I've got me and Ben. Okay, so I'll put my name is Imran. I'm one of Venkata's elite business trainers, and then continue on with the email. Now I'm going to make that bigger, 16 to match everything else. Okay, so the other thing I would do is I would just change maybe to make things stand out, I would just go around and, you can either change color or make things bold like that. This one didn't do anything. There you go. Just go through and just make changes. So I'll definitely do step 1 bold, step 2 bold, and step 3. No. Just move that there. I'll use a mouse pad. Again, I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes. If you want, change a little bit of the color. As I said, there's no right or wrong, but as long as you make the strong call to action stand out. So they want this special report and they want this hybrid link. Normally, I would say save, and but what I'm going to do is I'll come back to that. I'm going to go into preview and test over here, and this is what it will look like. So it'll be hello and whatever the person's first name is, their first name will sit there as well when they in their subject line, when they get straight to their email. And this is what it looks like. This is the special report. Oh, did it not? Sorry. Preview and test, that's better. So this is what it will look like here. So when they get it into their email, this is what it will look like. As you can see, if I hover onto the link, so if I click on the special report, they will get this special report here. Yep. Close that. And then if I click on the hybrid video, this is the video that they will get if they click on to here. Okay, and you will always put this hybrid video in all your emails. Okay, and then signing off, there's my picture, there's my address. That's how it's going to be. If you're happy with it, the other thing I would do is I would send myself a test email to one of my email addresses and just put Imran, send test messages. I'm not going to do it in this case. If I want to make changes, because if I'm not happy with it, I will go back to editor and just, you can go back and change. If you're happy with it, then all you need to do is to save and exit. Okay, and then it goes into drafts, as you can see here. If you're happy with it and you're ready to go, set it up as a follow-up series. All you do is click on where it says set options, click on that, and then add it to follow-up series. Now, this is going to be the first message. So it's your follow-up number 1 is the welcome message of subscribers will get immediately after signing up. So if you remember on the opt-in page, as soon as they enter the name and email, once they've pressed submit, the thank you page will come straight up and this will go straight to their email. Don't worry, we're going to do a test run just to make sure it's all working. You want to track clicks on website links in this message. Okay, so in this case, I want to add to my follow-up series. And there you go. That's my special report, first name fix, send immediately. Okay, good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to test the funnel to make sure that it is all working and that it's all connected. So when we, let's go here, let's go to pages, all pages. Let's view. Click here. So moment of truth, when we enter our name here or email here, both name and email here, and press submit, we should see the thank you page. the report should go to my email. I'm going to use my email at trafficexpertsacademy.com, and we should see the subscriber somewhere in my campaign. Okay, so here we go, moment of truth. So let's go to this. Actually, I'm not going to do it from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do it from, I'm going to preview the page. So I'm going to do this. I'm just going to do it this way just in case the other way doesn't load up. But I'm going to preview the page here just to save ourselves the extra step. Otherwise, if it didn't work the other way, then I would have to go through this step anyway. So just to save a bit of time, let this load up. I'm going to click on preview. So this is the actual page. Click here to sign up. So I'm going to enter my name, which is Imran, and my email, and I'm going to put in my Traffic Experts Academy, and then I'm going to hit submit. Let's see if this works. So first thing that comes up is the HTML thank you video. Perfect. And as you can see, so in the link, it's the thank you video, and it looks a lot better, but in the actual URL, you'll be able to see my affiliate link. Okay, so this is the thank you video. They get to watch this. They get to, it gives them an offer to sign up to the first front end product. So fantastic, that works. Now, we want to know if we got the email. So let's click on here. Nothing in my email as yet. It might take some time. Let's just click up. There we go. There's my special report from me. So this is a special report I created. Perfect. So if I click onto that, here we go. So I didn't have to put my name. It said, hello, Imran. It was already there. We can even check in the subject. Oh, there you go. Imran Gita, your special report inside. That should have come up actually. Is the first name? Oh, I think it's because my name's Imran. But anyway, it does work, as you can see, because my name came up there. So it would say Imran. It said Imran Gita, your special report inside. Hello, Imran. Here, Imran here. Congratulations, take action. You're in today. I have a special exciting. Okay, and as you can see, and well, it's actually sent my the other email from the other list. That's what it's done, but the main thing is it's gone in there. Okay, I'm going to delete that, and then if we go to the subscribers, okay, I've got, has it gone into my manage subscribers? Okay, for some reason it hasn't gone into my internet marketing lists, and I'm going to have to work out why it's done that, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure it's by the looks of it because I've got the other email. That email was from my other list, my HCM business list. So I got a feeling it has gone into there. No, that's just my test at email.com. I'm going to go to the end, and there you go. There I am there. Perfect. Subscribe today. And just a few minutes ago. As you can see, this is the UK time. This is based on US time. So, yeah, there I am, right there. Perfect. So it's working. Now, to get yourself out of there, because it can add to your, obviously adds to your subscribers, and I already have a test account in there, which is what that first one you saw. I'm gonna delete and unsubscribe. I'll just delete. Yep. I'm going to take mine out of there, and that's it. So perfect. It's working. So ultimately, it's working. It's going into where it needs to go. It does need a little bit of a tweak because for some reason it's not going into the internet marketing list, but I will look at that. And if you have the same problem, let me know. I will look at that for you. But ultimately, that's how you set up your, that's how you connect your landing page to your autoresponder. I know it's a bit of a long email, long video, but just follow it step by step, break it down, and once you get used to this is how you would connect all your landing pages to your autoresponder. So just refer back to this video, take your time over it, and if you have any questions or need any help with it, just send me a message on Skype or via email at imran@trafficexpertsacademy.com. Hope this helps, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Okay, take care. Bye.